And this amazes me. I get people saying, you will never understand the origin of the universe. You'll never understand what love is. Science will never, ever explain love. Science will never, ever explain X.
Well, what will?
And then I say to them, well, that's incredibly a pompous statement. Because if you say that science will never explain this, you must understand it. Because how do you know that we'll never explain it? We never know what we won't be able to explain until we try. And maybe there are things about our universe that we'll never understand. But we don't know until we try. You can never say up front that science will never explain this or that because you haven't tried. And in my experience as a scientist, there could have been brick walls. But I've watched progressively those brick walls crumble as we move around them or we break them. And it is so exhilarating, and that's why it's the greatest story ever told. It's so exhilarating to see them knock down and things you thought we'd never understand. I remember one of the forces of nature, a very prominent physicist in 1969 said, it will be 100 years before we understand this interaction. Next year, the theory came out.